have two words for you: predator drones. You will never see it coming. You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking?
It is infinitely easier to kill 1 million people than to control 1 million people.
If there's an Arab American family being rounded up without benefit of an attorney or due process, that threatens my civil liberties.
That hurts.
President Obama, the Nobel Peace Prize winner, has just announced and authorized that he has told the CIA that it can assassinate American citizens in direct violation of the Constitution's due process clause, in violation of federal law, and in violation of treaties to which the U.S. is a party. The due process clause to the Constitution states that no person, whether they're overseas or in the U.S., may be deprived of life, liberty, or property by the government without due process of law, which means a jury trial.
You will never see it coming. You think I'm joking? You think I'm...
One is we could raise taxes on people. That's not the way. Corporations are people, my friend.
Hello everybody. I'm showing up today because I wanted to talk to you about a bill that they're trying to pass that I don't think is going to be very popular with the folks out there, and you too. Basically, it's the NDAA on steroids. I guess they just didn't pick up the fact that we didn't like that bill, and they decided to extend it. Basically, the new act is called the Enemy Expatriation Act, and what it will give them the ability to do is to revoke your citizenship. In other words, depending on what they consider a threat, they can and will, if this bill passes, take your citizenship. Expatriation Act.
Gunshots near the White House led to a charge today of an attempted assassination of President Obama. Margaret Warner has the story.
President and Mrs. Obama were thousands of miles away in San Diego last Friday night when shots rang out on historic Constitution Avenue just south of the White House. But it wasn't until Tuesday that the Secret Service discovered 2 bullets had actually hit the White House. The exact location wasn't confirmed, but yesterday workers were on the second-story Truman balcony examining a window of the president's living quarters. The bullet was stopped by ballistic glass. Investigators now say they believe the shots were fired from about 750 yards away by a gunman in a car on Constitution Avenue between the White House and the Washington Monument. Shortly after the shooting, police found a car abandoned a few blocks away. An AK-47 style assault rifle and empty shell casings were inside. By Sunday, they had linked the car to Oscar Romero Ortega Hernandez, a 21-year-old man from Idaho. U.S. Park Police issued a warrant for his arrest on a charge of carrying a deadly weapon.
This is a man who discharged a rifle in downtown D.C. I think that speaks volumes.
Just hours before the shooting, acting on a report of suspicious behavior, police in nearby Arlington, Virginia, had detained Ortega Hernandez near this abandoned house. They held him briefly, photographed him, then let him go. After a nationwide manhunt, employees at this hotel near Indiana, Pennsylvania, yesterday thought they recognized the man in the photos. Pennsylvania State Police Lieutenant Brad Shields.
Personnel at the Hampton Inn in White Township contacted the state police and reported that Mr. Hernandez, Ortega Hernandez, was in their lobby. State police personnel responded to the Hampton Inn and took Mr. Hernandez into custody without incident.
In his appearance in federal court in Pittsburgh today, Ortega Hernandez was not asked to enter a plea to the assassination charge.